Flight tests are expensive and time-consuming. Every drone manufacturer is interested in ensuring that the flight test works and its invested effort is worthwhile. Therefore, it's desirable to test as much as possible in advance. Testing should be as close as possible to real flight tests, and this is only possible with a hardware-in-the-loop simulator. In hardware-in-the-loop testing, the movement of the aircraft, the environment, and the sensors and actuators are replaced by a mathematical model. All other systems of the aircraft are tested in real life. AlphaLink Engineering, in cooperation with Vector Informatik, has developed a hardware-in-the-loop simulator that can be used for Pixoc flight control systems with CAN interface. In a Simulink model, the nonlinear flight dynamics and the behavior of sensors and actuators are simulated. Data is transmitted via the interface to Canoe software and then prepared for transmission via CAN interface using a DBC. Using hardware from Vector Informatik, the data is sent via CAN bus. The Pixoc runs the PixVR flight stack modified by us. We have modified the software and operating system level to allow CAN bus communication. In addition, the sensor driver model was modified so that instead of the sensor data, the values from the flight simulation can be read in. Besides the commands of the rear actuators, the commands are sent back to the flight simulation via CAN interface. The implementation allows that all other software packages, like extended Kalman filter, the flight controller, or the output module, run like real flight tests. Furthermore, interaction with Q-ground control and the remote controller is possible. Via the visual of AlphaLink virtual flight test environment, the flight movement can be followed in the browser. In flight simulation, the disturbance variables such as gust and turbulence can be simulated, but also sensor data can deliberately send wrong values or fail completely. This allows the safe testing of the entire system and further increase safety in unmanned aviation. AlphaLink can create the simulation model for any drone tailoring the HIA simulator to your needs. This means that your system can also be tested prior to flight testing, saving you time and money. For more information, get in touch or visit alphalink.aero/UAS.